Okay, I want to do a recap, a different type of video here. Instead of talking about a stock that's due for a big move, yeah, let's talk about a recap of one of my trades that I took in my Discord. And I'm going to show you guys, step by step on what we had. And if you want to join the Discord, the link's down below. You can follow me on my journey. I record my trades. I do in fact have an over 95% win ratio. I actually haven't lost a trade in over 8 months. I lost one trade. It was a penny stock way back. I readjusted the system, and that's not to brag. I stay humbled, and I know, God has blessed me and my family. But I want this to be a thing where you guys are like, you're not scared. You can do this strategy and just follow the guidelines that what I'm about to show you. So this is a recap. CTNT, cheetah net supply. This is one of the trades I took. Why did price all of a sudden just wanted to have a random pump right on this day? It only pumped 13%, and you're probably like, wow, that's not as much. This thing went up all the way to like 33 cents. At a high, it went 33 cents, and then at 4 a.m. trading for Webull, if you guys don't have Webull, I would highly consider it. This thing pumped all the way to 44 cents. So you're telling me, I mean, like 22 cents all the way to 44 cents from the lows here. That is a 100% move in a very short amount of time frame. Obviously, I did not get that huge move. I took conservative gains, and that's what I tell my members. 10 to 20% is very conservative, and you can keep rinsing and repeating, and over time, your account will grow rapidly fast. So I took that trade. It was a very nice one. We made very nice gains, and what is my thought process and my analysis? I've traded this one way back before, and it has made me decent gains. It was a very stubborn trade. I'm not going to lie. CTNT has been very stubborn, but as you can see, you had these nice reversions to the means. It almost hit the 20, but since it didn't hit this 20, it did not count. This EMA, this blue band is your EMA 20, and this is very important to learn because I use this example because we know the algos will clearly tell you it hit the 20. This is clearly telling me it hit the 20. You won't have to blink at it. You won't have to like zoom in so much and be like, is it touching? The algos will tell you. All right, so what we had here is this is the most important thing. The EMA 20 was way back here at 5/21/2024. I repeat, way back in May 21st of 2024, we hit the EMA 20. The current date is 8/23, so August 23rd. We are due for an EMA 20. And let me show you guys the formulas, the math. Anything that don't touch the EMA 20 in 2 months is really long. So 5/21, 6/21, 7/21, we're at 3 months mark here. That does not mean you just randomly get in when it hits that 2 month mark. What we do is we look for like, okay, are we near the ATR4, which is this lower band here? No, we're not near that. Well, do we have some time distance away from the 10 and the 5? And the question was, yes, we had not touched the EMA 10 since all the way down in here. So I started to getting in this all throughout this big consolidation area. All throughout here, I accumulated, and yeah, I had to wait a good bit, but everything in trading is worth it. And as you can see, the patience paid off. So right in here, we could draw a trend channel, and you can look at the highs, the low, and you can kind of see, yeah, we're in a very clear trend formation here. You have the ups here, you have the downs here. So everything in here, you would accumulate and look to get your average in. And you wouldn't see this candle here, but right in here is where all the accumulation zone is. And right in here, we broke out of this trend channel, and we have a new high. I obviously sold it at the EMA 20. You can check my Discord, you can check my journal, you can see where I sold it and all of that. And what I'm saying is, we don't know how high this can pump. This could easily go above the EMA 20. Could it go to like right here? Could it go here? Could it go here? We don't know. And we don't care because we know where we're looking to sell it, and that was the EMA 20. I posted in the journal where I wanted to sell it, and then that's where I got it to sell it at. So this was a fabulous trade, very nice one. Even in a brutal market, this thing has paid off really well. Obviously, I did not have it all the way up in here. This was not worth it because look how far away we are from the ATR4. Look at this. We're so far away. We just hit the EMA 5, which is this yellow band here. It would not make sense to take any of the trades all throughout here till we started dropping fast and we had some time distance away from the 10. So if we wanted that conservative game, we could took it, and we had time distance from the 5. That's all I wanted to say on this. This is just a recap and how, a lot of people are like, well, I got an average of over $1. I have an average in the 80 cents. I need, 50 cents to break even. And I just want to encourage you. I've been through that way back, and I listened to the pumpers, and I looked at this trade. I know a lot of retail gut traders get stuck because I see it all the time. Big pump, everyone's excited, they don't think it can go down. Big drop like this. This gets retail traders all the time. They see this big drop, and they're like, oh, I got to get in on this. This is due for a bounce. It has not had a bounce since way back in here. And why? Because this is just a reversion to the mean. Price will hit your EMA 5, 10, and 20. And that's all this was. Get the reversion to the mean. New bag holders come in. They think, oh, CTNT is going to pump over to, it's going to go over $1. It went to $40 before. Got to get your mindset out of that. Do not say, oh, it was this price before. That's the past. That's done. That's your ex right there. That you're done with your relationship. You don't go back and think about the what ifs. That's what CTNT is doing here. It goes down. It thinks you can get back with your ex. It never works, and then it goes back down. It really don't. So yeah, it hit the EMA 20 here, and this was the final destination. The journey's done. This is their destination. Where you needed to get out. Right in here, could it go higher? Yes, I could look like an idiot and it just pumps up 100%, hits this ATR4 right here. But I'm willing to take that risk because this is a recap on how to stay in the market. It's not about the what ifs in trading. It's, did you make a gain? Did you hit your target? Then you need to follow your trade plan. That's all it is. Did you follow your trade plan? And that's a yes or no. So if you guys are really looking for a strategy, and if you enjoyed this recap video, I'm here to show you guys my strategy. I make tons of education videos on how you can learn how this was such a bullish price action right here. Big consolidation. The trend channel was proving, we were in, we were in that consolidation zone, and then we were due for that move up, and EMA 20 will get hit. I mean, look at any price action, guys. 2 months was really long. This was due for a touch. If you guys want to join the Discord, you're more than welcome to join. Click the link down below in the YouTube comments, and in the description, it'll say join the premium Discord. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. All you have to do is hit server shop in the top left, and you can see the products I offer. And I promise you, I'm going to work my butt off. I will do one-on-one if you need it. I will do everything in my possibility and in my power to make sure you guys understand this strategy, because that's what I'm here for. I hate when people lose money. And I know CTNT lost a lot of people's money. I'm here to say I was very fortunate. I made money on it, and it was a nice trade. So $12 a month will get you access to all my services. If you do this one, I highly recommend it because day trading is obviously my bread and butter. It's like, it's been making a lot of money. You guys got to check it out. I'm telling you. If you're not part of the day trading and you're just a regular swing trader, upgrade your membership. You won't regret it. So $12 a month. If you subscribe on your computer, you get access to all this. If you do it on your phone, it will charge you a little more. So do try to do it on your computer, and you guys are going to like all these channels unlocked. We got education. I do live streams. You get entries and access to your phone. You get all that. A lot more than a lot of other Discords charge, over hundreds of dollars for that. You get that for a very low cost. All right, guys, this is a recap. If you guys like the video, give a like, subscribe, comment. It helps me out a lot. This is my CTNT. I probably won't be making another video on this, as this finished my trade on it. And I hope to see you guys in the Discord. Happy trading, guys. Stay blessed, stay humble, and I'll see you guys in the next video.